Mind see, so we have to know that in electrolysis, who guides the type of the product, right? We get an overall information that either the halogen is given out at the anode or the oxygen is given out. At the cathode, either the metal is given out or hydrogen gas, right? These two products are there. So who determines the type of the products, right? That's very important, right? So the product, you'll be getting two kinds of questions. One is the type of the products. That what type of the product is hydrogen given off or metal or halogen or oxygen. Second is that what is the amount of the product, right? Amount of product has been deleted from your specs. So now you have to see the type of the products, right? If you see the type of the products, you have to understand that the type of the product depends upon what? The type of the product depends upon the standard electrode potential of the species in the solution, right? Number one. Number two, the concentration of the electrolyte. Third, the materials from which the electrodes are made up of. Is it clear? Understood? This is clear? So this is a very important point we noted, right? So it will be depending upon what? The standard electrode potential of the species in the solution, the concentration of the electrolyte. Third, the material from which the electrodes are made up of. Is it clear? Understood? Now we are now dividing this into two sections. Cathode, what is the product? And we will be investigating. Second, what is the product of the anode and investigating separately. Is it clear? We divide it, right? Is it clear? Understood? Mine? Understood this thing? Now, if you see that, now open your data booklet, mine, quickly. Open your data booklet.
Yeah, sir.
Mine, see. Now, do you have a printed out sheet? Do you have a printed out data booklet, mine? Mine, do you have a printed
Yes,
out?
sir. Which page? The old one or the new one?
New one, I'm telling you. Open it.
Okay, so one sec. So which page? 19? Yeah, I have it open.
Have you opened? Section number 19. Opened? Now you take a pencil, right? You take a pencil quickly. Write down over here cathode. This reaction to pull out for water reaction at cathode. Have you written? Where H2 is given out and OH is given out. Is it clear? Understood? Have you written there? I'll be sending I've sent you a screen. I will send you the screenshot also.
Yeah.
Now, this is a cathode reaction of water, right? Let me date cathode, right? In relate terms, right? Cathode, right? Cathode. And this is what? This is an anode reaction of water, right? An anode, right? Clear? Have you written? Anode, right? Clear? Where oxygen is there and H plus is there. Understood? I've underlined. Can you take a screenshot? Quickly, you can take a screen. This is section 19, right? Section 19. Mind, take a screenshot, please.
Yeah.
And put it into the that separate group I made. Understood, mind? This trick you have to know, right? Isn't it?
1 second, just screenshot. Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Fine. So now this is very important that if we thank you. So now see, now this is the cathode reaction of water you have to pick up, this reaction. The anode reaction of water. Memorize these two reactions, right? Isn't it? Try to memorize, right? And if it is possible, don't try to put half, means multiply this reaction by 2, isn't it? That way you write it out. See, when you multiply this reaction by 2, you'll be getting the anode reaction. Is it clear? Because half
Yes.
is there, half oxygen is there, right? Isn't it clear? And now we are going to the individual part. Mind, please try to concentrate now. Now we are going to the very important part. See, mind, if you see that when we talk about suppose I've taken NaCl, right? NaCl solution, right? We are discussing what now? We are discussing only cathode now. Only cathode. What is the product at cathode? Is it clear? Now, who rushes to that part? Na plus will be rushing and OH2 will be rushing. Is it clear? Both will be rushing. Is it clear? Now, who will be getting the entry? One of them to getting entry. How do you determine, Mahin? How do you determine? We write down the reduction potentials and cathode reaction of what water. Is it clear? Can you
Yes.
select from the first reaction of the water I've chosen, right? Where hydrogen is given out and OH minus is given out. Is it clear? That is the cathode reaction, isn't it? Now I'm taking the case of NaCl, right? So now which one will be getting entry? Which one getting entry? The species will be getting reduced, will be having more spontaneous reduction potential, means more positive reduction potential. Is it clear? So water goes. Is it clear? And Na plus stays back. Is it clear? Understood? Don't try to think to compare voltaic cell. Just a request. Ab confused ho jaoge. Is it clear? Don't try to compare. Understood this thing? Clear, Mahin? Got it?
Yes.
Now water will be going, and what is the product you're getting? Hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen
And
gas.
the cathode will be getting basic solution also there generated. Is it clear? OH minus will be generated there. Is it clear?
Yes.
Did you get this thing point? Now
Yep.
second, whenever we are seeing this, right, whenever we are seeing this, right, we can understand that if you understand this thing, that if you see that whenever we are seeing that a more positive, sorry, my bad, a more reactive, the most reactive elements, they do not go to the cathode, what we inferred. Now try to take the example of copper chloride. Suppose I'm taking copper chloride, right? I'm taking copper chloride and I'm trying to dissolve the copper chloride. Who rushes to the cathode? Please guide me. If you're taking copper chloride aqueous solution, can you guide me? Who rushes? Mine? Who rushes?
Right. The
Copper 2
copper.
plus will be rushing, and with water also will be rushing, isn't it?
Yeah.
What we do, we pick up the data booklet again, section 19, and write down the cathode reaction of water, the first reaction, and the next reaction. Mine, in water, there are three reactions. Huh? Middle one don't take, right? Please check, see. Can you see that? There's a three reactions of H2O. Have you seen that?
Yeah.
Middle one, you don't take. Top one for the cathode, bottom one for the anode. Is it clear? Mine understood this thing? Got it? Now, from here, now can you guide me that who will be going to the cathode? Who will be going to the cathode? Tell me. Who goes to the cathode? Mine. Who goes to the cathode? Cu2 plus or H2O? Who goes to the cathode? Hello?
So what's it called? H plus.
H प्लस
No.
तो नहीं, H प्लस कहाँ पे आ रहा है पिक्चर में? वाटर जा रहा है और Cu2
Water.
प्लस.
Water. Sorry.
Water will be going. Which particular theory you have used? For the cathode, what happens? Reduction happens.
Reduction
So which
happens.
is a more spontaneous reduction? This or this?
The more positive one.
More positive. So who goes?
Copper. Copper.
Copper goes. Is it clear? And water stays back. Understood? ठीक है? Is it clear? So we can tell what the most the most the least reactive species, right? The least reactive species, right? That will be going. Is it clear? Mine, is it clear? The least reactive species goes. Is it clear? Mine? Fine. Now,
Yes, sir.
if you see that, when we see now our cathode chapter is completed, right? Fine. Now go to the anode chapter. Anode. What species is we getting in the anode? We learned the summary that either a halogen will be given out or oxygen gives out, any one of them. Now mine, now suppose, now here you to use the trick. Now mine, suppose I've taken NaI, right? NaI. Now can you tell me that who goes to the anode? Mine. NaI aqueous solution. Who goes to the anode? Mine.
Uh, Na
Suppose I've
plus
taken NaI
I.
solution. Who goes to the anode?
Na.
Na plus Cl minus. Sorry, I minus. Who goes to the anode?
Uh, isn't I to the
I
anode?
minus है solution में and Na plus. Who goes to the
Yeah.
anode? Plus है ये, positive है. Anode is positive in electrolytic cell, right?
तो I minus goes.
I minus goes. And with it, who goes? Who is the other species? H2O.
H2O.
Why H2 will be having the negative, delta negative drag towards it? Is it
Minus.
clear?
Yeah.
Understood,
O
Mahin?
is delta negative. Yeah.
Understood, delta negative dragged. Understood, agreed? Agreed? Fine.
Yes. Yeah.
Now, now We have to write down the reduction potentials. Now, which reaction do you choose of H2O? Which one? Bottom one or top one? Have you written there with a pencil, Mahi?
Yeah, sir.
Which one to take for the for the anode? What I told you?
The what's it called? You take
Half O2 plus 2H plus 2E gives you H2O. Which one?
yeah.
Bottom one or the top one you take?
So the bot.
Bottom one.
Yeah.
And I told you to multiply by 2 so that half goes away. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now,
So then
now
it
write down this
becomes
trick.
one.
Now write down this trick. We are comparing what? Oxidation. We are comparing what? We are comparing oxidation over there, right?
Yeah.
So now write down whichever from these two has got the more negative reduction potential, that will be oxidized. Agreed? Understood?
Yeah.
Now write down this. Whichever is the more negative. Understood? Yes, that we applied. Which is the more negative, more positive reduction hoga. Which one is the more negative from these two will be undergoing oxidation? Agreed? Please
Yeah.
write down
So
this, please.
I2 plus 2E minus.
And this stays back. So what is happening in the anode? Oxidation. So to flip this reaction, huh? Understood?
So this becomes
Is
2I
it clear?
minus gives I2
Is it
plus 2,
clear? Is it
and
clear
it
to
gives
you?
become minus
Very
0.54.
good, very good, very good. Is it clear? What is the product? Now I'm just trying to take out. I'm just to take out that. Mine. Please attach your pen quickly now.
Yes.
Attach your pen. My question is that suppose you are taking NaF aqueous solution, right? Who goes to the anode? Mine. Tell me.
Na who goes to the anode, not at the there will be H2O minus.
Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait. H2
Oh
हो
no,
जाता है.
NAF. Sorry.
Wait, wait. Yeah, you're
I thought
right.
you wrote
H2
Na
also goes.
plus.
H2 also goes. But which ion goes from over here? Na
Yeah,
plus and
sir. The F goes. I thought you wrote
F.
plus.
Yeah, no
Plus.
worries, no worries, no worries, no worries. Sorry. Mine, sorry. So you're having what? NaF. Now who goes? Write down over here. F minus goes. And with it what? Tell me. With it, H2 also goes. Isn't it? Understood. There are two competitors. Now can you write down the reactions quickly? From the A booklet, data booklet quickly. Write down the reactions.
So which one? Fe. I'm telling. This is Fe plus one electron. Fe. So wait, there is no with just one Fe. There is Fe2 plus 2E. Yeah, FES. So Fe2 plus 2E gives FES
Let me
minus
check. Let me check. Let me check. Which reaction you're choosing?
the 0.45 minus 0.45.
So Fe क्यों? F लोगे ना? F लोगे ना? You take F minus to F2, है ना?
Exactly Fe.
No. Where is Fe? It's F, fluoride ion.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
You have to fluoride ion. Fluoride ion will be bubbling out of F2. हम लोग को पता है ना?
Yeah, so F half F2 plus E minus gives F minus.
Is it clear? Now we are
Yeah.
we are to write this. देखो mine देखो. I'm just going to the page again. ताकि मेरे को quickly हो जाए. Now tell me one thing. Have you seen the screen? Mine? Have you seen the screen? We are pulling out this reaction. And which reaction do you have to pull out from H2O at the anode? Which reaction? Circle it. Circle it, mine. Circle. Circle. Which reaction to pull out? Mine.
So this is Fe, and then the other one was Na plus. So it's this one. No, H2O one. It's the नीचे वाला H2O. So this.
Which one? Which one is the anode reaction? You write down these two reactions, right?
Yeah.
One by one. Now, can you tell me that for oxidation, anode undergoes what happened? Oxidation. Which one will be oxidized? What yardstick you have to take? Which is more negative or which is more positive? These are reduction reactions, right? So for oxidation, what you have to take? I just told you which is more what? Negative or which is more positive, mind?
Which is more negative?
Negative. So which one of these will be going?
The H2O.
H2, and this is the reduction reaction.
Yeah.
So what you have to do? You have to flip the sign.
Yeah.
Is it clear? So what we're getting? Tell me, can you write down this equation by flipping? You are getting this, the mine. Just 1 minute.
getting, you just have to double
See,
it.
now I'm going to just 1 minute, mine. Just 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. After flipping, you are getting this, mine. 2 minutes, mine. Isn't it? We write the equations like this, mine. This is more negative, so this we have to flip it. Is it clear? So what's the product you're getting, mine? Tell me. This does not go. Which was the product you're getting, mine?
Yeah.
Oxygen and
Plus.
4H plus.
Yeah.
Means you're getting oxygen gas over here. And the solution will be turning
Oxidative.
acidic in the near the anode. Right? Understood? If we have taken
Yeah.
iodide, iodine goes. Right? Fluoride, this goes. Is it clear?
Fluorine. So,
Water goes, isn't it? Not fluoride. Is it clear? Understood? Clear, mine? Is it
yes, sir.
clear? Now, mine, now write down this thing. Effect of concentration. I'm just sitting on shortcut over here. See. Now, second is that what is the product, type of the product, depend upon the concentration, right? So, concentration, right? Concentration. Now, tell me, Mahin. Now, write down this. What does dilute NaCl means? Dilute NaCl means what? Tell me. A small amount of NaCl and a huge amount of water. Is it clear? Understood? Concentration, the product will be only determining the anode product, right? Not the cathode. Is it clear? Only anode, not
Yeah.
the cathode. Now it will be depending on who is more in population. Write down who is more in population goes right to the electrode. Is it clear? Understood? Did you get this thing right? Mine?
Yes, sir.
Understood this thing? Huh?
Yes.
Did you get this thing right?
Yeah.
So this is very very important, right? This is very very important, right? That who is more in particular front? Is it clear? Mine? Did you get this thing? Mine? Understood this part? Now, dilute NaCl for what? What do you mean by dilute NaCl? Bolo. Cl minus and H2, which is more in number? Cl minus or H2? When you talk about dilute NaCl, mine? Who is more in number? What does dilute NaCl mean? Can you guide me?
Not it partially dissociated and
Means no. Dilute NaCl means what? That you are adding a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt in a huge
a lot of
jar
it.
of water. Is it clear? Water is more. Is it clear? Understood, mine?
Yeah.
What does concentrated NaCl means? You are taking a huge amount of NaCl and taking a small amount of water. Is it clear? Understood? So in concentrated NaCl, who is more in number? Cl minus ion or H2? Who is more in number? Mine in concentrated NaCl, who is more in number?
The
Wait.
S2.
What does concentrated HCl mean?
No,
Small
in
amount of
concentrated there's
small
more,
amount
so,
of H2O, small
and
amount,
more HCl.
huge amount of Cl minus means
Yes, so
NaCl
Cl
is there.
minus is more
Isn't
concentrated.
it? So this will be going. Understood? And will
Yeah.
be bubbling out of Cl2. Understood?
Yeah.
This trick now you write down quickly. Mine, kahin pe likh lo. Don't have to study from the book, right? It will be confusing. Dilute में क्या होगा? Who is more? Cl minus or H2? Who is more?
H2.
H2. And what is the reaction? You flip it. Which reaction you take? The anode reaction. Where anode reaction only changes, right? And what you get? O2 plus 4H plus
Yeah.
4E. Is it? Oxygen gas is liberated. Is it clear?
Yes.
Done, dusted. Mine? Is it clear? Understood till this part? Mine? Got it?
Yes, sir. Pretty
Mine,
much.
every day you have to share me questions. Mine, send me a message in the group. And
Uh,
ग्रुप से ना वो डिलीट कर दो. माइन आपका जो पेरेंट ग्रुप है ना वहां से डिलीट कर दो. और हमको रिसोर्सेज ग्रुप है माइन का, वहां पे वो उसको पेस्ट कर दो.
yeah, so I put it in the exam group.
एग्जाम ग्रुप एंड डिलीट फ्रॉम देयर. एंड
Yeah.
माइन send me a message in the exam group. Sorry, exam group no. ये group parent group. The two complete PDF past papers. One paper of MCQ. PDF paper understood. I've showed to you. How does the PDF paper looks like? Is it clear, mind? Understood?
Yeah.
Fine. Now we are going to the type of the electrode. Type of the electrode. Now remember one thing, that if we, now I forgot to tell you another thing. Now mind that, please write it down. If you're having sulfate, right? Suppose copper sulfate you have taken. Who will be rushing to the anode? Mind? Sulfate ions. Tell me.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
and
CO2 plus.
no. Positive to and the positive hai. Who rushes?
Oh, okay.
and H2 will be rushing.
Sulfate and
H2.
H2.
Now remember one thing: if you take copper nitrate or so copper nitrate, who rushes to the anode? Nitrate ion and H2.
Nitrate and
Now remember one thing. Now write down this: sulfates and nitrates will not go and get oxidized in the anode. Write down. Clear?
okay.
Sulfate and nitrates won't undergo oxidation. Okay? Why? Because sulfate is sitting in the highest oxidation number. Can you see this? +6.
Yeah.
Nitrate, nitrogen is sitting in the highest oxidation number, +5.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
Thus, they cannot get further oxidized. Is it clear? So these won't go. Is it clear? Instead, water will be going and giving
Yeah.
out oxygen. Okay? Is it clear, Mahin? Understood this concept, Mahin? Got it? Mahin, is it clear?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Now next is that if you see that, now write down this. If you take a reactive electrode, now write down this. I'll be picking this up in the next session, right? If you take reactive electrodes, can you tell me that how will you understand that the question is given you non-reactive electrodes? All the questions we did till now when taking non-reactive electrodes, right? Is it clear? Can you understand that? Can you tell me how can you understand from the question that which is non-reactive electrode? How do you know? Mine?
If it's a what's it called? Carbon or
Carbon, very good. See, such a
graphite.
brilliant kid. Platinum, understood.
Graphite.
Graphite. Whenever any other electrode is given, always remember, any other electrode is given, that electrode is reactive. If it is reactive, then the anode reaction changes. Cathode remains the same. Understood? Remains the same.
Understood.
Please write this down. Anode reaction changes only. And if it is a reactive electrode, now write down mine. Open your notebook and write down. If it is the anode, if it's reactive electrode, anode reaction changes. Anode won't allow, and anode won't allow any species to get oxidized. Is it clear? Any species. Clear? So copper
Yeah.
sulfate, who goes? Sulfate ions and H2. It won't allow both of them. Understood? Clear?
Yeah.
Instead, what happens? Instead, copper from the anode will be going to the solution as Cu2 plus 2e, isn't it? Got it?
Yes.
Instead, copper from the copper anode will be going to the solution as copper 2 plus 2e. Is it clear? Understood?
Yes.
So now tell me, with time this anode roll will be getting thicker and thicker or thinner and thinner? Tell me.
The anode will be getting
Thinner or thicker?
thinner and
Because
thinner.
copper is going to the solution
Thinner, thinner.
as Cu2 plus. Copper will be transferring to the aqueous solution. Will you getting thinner and thicker or thinner and thinner or thicker and thicker? Anode will be getting weared off because the copper which is there will be going to the solution as what? Cu2 plus and get dissolved. Understood? So the anode will be getting thinner and thinner with time. Understood, Mahin?
Yes.
Got it? And who rushes to the cathode? Mahin? Copper 2 plus will be rushing from the solution. We have taken copper sulfate and H2O. We see that copper 2 plus has got a more positive reduction potential. So copper will be going from the solution and getting deposited at the anode. Is it clear? Understood?
Yeah.
So with time it will be getting thicker and thicker. Is it clear, Mine? Understood?
Yes.
This is
Yeah.
clear? Mine, what I feel you, mine, I want that you're doing the past papers in the PDF file. Can you do it? You've got
I
iPad also, right? That will be pen movement will be very good. Or can you do one thing? Can you just or wherever you're doing the past papers, have you done some past papers self-checked?
so I'll do the past
Have you
paper.
self-checked any past papers till now?
Not self-checked one yet. Yeah, no.
Understood how to do it?
I have
Self
understood how to do it. I'll do it and I'll send it.
self-checking. Are you clear what I'm saying, Mind? Are you clear what I'm
Yes,
saying?
I'm clear.
I'm saying what? You have to make sure that you are doing a question immediately, right? A tick, red tick. Seeing the answer. Not that after you do all you're seeing the answer. Is it clear?
Yeah.
And don't feel worried, don't feel embarrassed to mark a cross and circle the right answer like this, right? Essay. Understood? So this is what's the
Yeah.
right answer, and you tick this. Don't worry. Mark a cross over here, or you can mark a cross over here. And I need this. Send me a message.
Yes.
Send me a message that Send me a message, MCQ paper to be done by today. Understood? Fine. We have to do past papers also, mine, isn't it?
Yes.
Fine. Send me a message now. Owen, page number 403. 4032, page number 410, right? Mine.
Yeah.
410. Then right in the next session, electroplating and electrolysis of water to be done. Or you can write down as a self-study also. I'll be doing it. Write down self-study. Or you should send me a message. Next session, I'll be doing it. Write down self-study of electroplating and electrolysis of water. From page 411 and 412 of the data of the Owen book. Written? Mine?